Thanks, guys. It's Mr. H. It's question 14 from the June 2024 Regents exam. They've given us four quadratics. They've given us two quadratic functions. They've given us a graph of a quadratic function, and then they gave us a table of a quadratic function. And whenever they give us four functions, most of the time we're just going to be comparing them. And we are. We're looking for the one that has the smallest minimum. Now, the easiest way to do these kinds of questions is to try to get all of the functions on one graph if you can, and then because it's much easier to compare. Now, so I've already done part of this. So let me go. All right, so first thing I did is I went ahead and I entered the first two functions, a of x and c of x. This is a of x, the blue one. This is c of x, the red one. Now, I'm going to take that spreadsheet, because this is the key to this problem. I'm going to take that spreadsheet and I'm going to come up with the function for this. And I'm going to graph that on the same graph with these other two functions. So let me show you how I would do that. So basically, I used the spreadsheet. I entered all of this data. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, go to the data statistics. This is going to be the x. This is the y. All right. And you can see it's a quadratic. I'm going to do menu 4, 6, 4. It gives me the equation right here. All right. So now I'm going to show you a way that you can kind of key this in so that now you're ready to graph. So I'm going to go menu 44, and it's going to give me a box. And now I could just type in this. So this is going to be x squared, 1x squared, plus 4x minus 1. All right, so that's what this is. So I press enter. Now, this function is here. So all I have to do is press tab. Whoops. All I have to do is press tab, and you can see it starts at F4. There is the function that I just entered. Now I press enter, and you can see it's the black one here. So now we're looking for, let's go back, double check. We're looking for the lowest minimum. So we're looking for the vertex, the one that has the lowest vertex. Now, this is the only one that isn't on the graph, but the lowest vertex for this would be a -4. So now we can go, and if you look at this one, I'm going to do menu 62 to find the vertex. I'm going to do this one because this is obviously the lowest one. And you can see that the lowest value is a -7. I don't even have to do these because I know I can see that these are not lower than this. So this is my answer. And that is the first one. So I go to my paper and I circle number 1 because that's the lowest. So function, graph both of them, spreadsheet, make it into a function, and then graph that one too. All right, that's the key to getting these kinds of questions easily. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.